Alright, ano ba mga kapatid?
Ano ba po kabalin? Kumusta kayo po? Ako Iluwi Season.
Marco na natin, we're in Pampanga.
Guys, ngayon po nga daw ini matula kami puling. May imbita kami kayong pa mag-open na ning metong aesthetic spa or clinic
Yes.
So, kami po kayong Friendship Highway, Angeles City. So, abahan nyo kami po. Bakit may nga po yung ng milyari ngayon. And magpasalamat kami po kayong Touched by a Rose for inviting us.
So tara, let's go!
So,
Sa Touch by Rose Friendship Branch po.
So just for our information, Touched by a Rose pala is second branch na ini.
Yes.
So itong first branch na is keng Hensonville and ining room ay ini is in Karelang Salon. So it's a salon for men and women, male and female. So, grabe, pero at yung ni bala mo.
Princess
Yeah.
Pacific, oh.
Yeah. Okay, so the room we are in right now is for their foot spa or foot massage. Mga grabe. Huge beds. And then this one is for their nails. Very impressive. First take ko actually kakay ko Kenny is nakataguling lugar. So from the entrance, you wouldn't really expect na talagang atin yung kain. So kini pala ating pag-sauna. For our information, atin yung 7 beds for massage. Full body massage. Okay, but atin mo naman spa. Yan, no? So this is their spa section. Wow, so I must say the place itself is really impressive.
Yung place is maragulya, unexpected tsaka lugmo. From outside, lang mo feeling malatiya, pero yung kilog ng karakal rooms, ng karakal services, tsaka ng kasanting.
In addition to that, bala mo talaga rin yung furnitures, yung equipments na, bala mo, it's for royalty. Feel mo talaga na talagang prestige yung pupuntahan mo. Bala mo mga yan.
Kaya nibla mo, feeling mo, they will treat you as a king and queen.
Alright, so that's it about the place na actually may invite kami pinket ng event or itang opening da. So, magtatamo kitang reception.
Na,
Tara!
Let's call on Miss Rose Mendoza. Let's give a big hand for her.
I'm really happy to be here and would like to congratulate both ladies kasi gaya po ng nabanggit, putting up a business is not easy, no? Marami po yung the risk you have to take. But I believe with pouring their hearts and minds into it, magiging successful po yung business nila.
It goes for Hannah and Rose. Cheers, everyone! All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you sa pagpunta ngayong gabi. Alam ko rin na susuportahan niyo po kami, patuloy niyo po kami susuportahan. And sana, after 3 years, magkaroon na naman tayo ng third branch. So, yun yung wish ko para sa aming business, Hannah. Thank you guys and enjoy the night. Thank you!
Who made this night memorable. Thank you all so much. We're in Pampanga. Maraming salamat for gracing this event. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations once again, guys. Maraming salamat. God bless you all, guys, and have a safe way home. All right? Thank you so much, guys.